Let's learn how we can install the Nuvio enhanced app. This enhanced version of Nuvio contains some extraordinary features that you can use and try. So let's begin. Open up any browser and you're gonna simply do a Google search for Nuvio enhanced GitHub. Once you do the Google search, click on the first link here. Yes, NT10 Nuvio mobile enhanced from GitHub. Scroll down to the bottom and you're gonna come to releases. Click on the latest build. Scroll down further. Come to assets. Tap on the topmost file. It will just begin downloading. Open it after the download and just install it. Nuvio enhanced install. It will be installed as a separate app besides Nuvio, and open it. And once you come to the settings of this app, you will get this new feature, Nuvio enhanced. Tap here and enable it. And there are some extraordinary settings like Nuvio experience, app experience, hero experience, etc. You can test these features for yourself. All other things are similar to the Nuvio app besides this one extra settings here, Nuvio enhanced. Inside this version of Nuvio, you also have got the option to add the plugins. If you go to content and discovery, you'll get the additional options here besides the add-on. Go to plugins and you'll have the option to add the plugins at the bottom here, plugin manifest URL. So that's the Nuvio enhanced app installation guide. Hope you like this video. If you want to get more contents like this, just keep subscribed.